In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force quit Capcut on an iPhone. It's a simple process, and in just a few short steps, you'll have it down in no time. Whether you have the latest iPhone model or are still using one with a home button, I'll guide you through the process to ensure you can do this effortlessly. This can be particularly useful if the app is freezing or you simply want to start fresh. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access the app switcher screen. If you're using an iPhone without a home button, start by gently swiping up from the bottom edge of your screen. You don't need to swipe all the way up, just about halfway. You should see the app switcher appear, displaying all the apps you have open at the moment. For those of you with an iPhone that has a home button, simply double tap the home button. This quick action will take you straight to the app switcher as well. Now that we have all our recent apps up on the screen, it's time to locate Capcut. Simply scroll through your open apps by swiping left or right until you find it. The app switcher displays your apps as separate card-like windows, making it easy to identify each one. Once you've found Capcut, the next step is to force quit it. All you have to do is swipe up on the Capcut app card. This gesture is like tossing the app upward off your screen, and doing this will effectively close it completely. It's important to note that this action doesn't delete the app or your data, it merely stops the app from running in the background. And just like that, you're done. Capcut has now been force quit. You can return to your home screen by tapping anywhere outside the app switcher, or simply pressing the home button if your iPhone has one. Now when you reopen Capcut, you'll be starting it anew, which can often resolve minor bugs or glitches you may have been experiencing. Remember, this method is not exclusive to Capcut. You can use it to force quit any app that may be causing trouble, or if you feel your phone is cluttered with too many apps running at once. Always feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to streamline your phone's performance. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your apps efficiently.